every company trains its people. Organizations spend billions on it globally. Yet most companies can't tell you if it's working or not. When performance falls short, they don't know what skills are missing. And when skills are missing, they don't know what learning to deliver. And when learning does finally happen, they can't tell you if it actually worked or not. This gap between learning and performance, we've never been able to close. Until now. To close it, you need 3 things. The first thing is you actually need to be able to see work. Not surveys, not self-assessments, real work signals. The second thing, you need intelligence to know what to do with it. To actually take decisions and actions based on evidence rather than guesswork. And the third thing is you need to be able to deliver the right learning in the right moment. Not a library of courses to search, but the exact thing that helps. Nobody's built all 3 in one system. We did. This is HowNow. Your people open this and everything they need is here. Learning shaped to who they are, what they do, where they need to grow. One front door and one place for everything they need to learn and grow. Need a leadership program? Just type what you need. It will curate, design, and build a tailored program, all ready to go, exactly what you need. And once it's built, it runs itself. Personalized learning at scale without the admin. But it's not just about courses, pathways, and learning resources. You can also create spaces for real communities. Bring together your people and let them learn from each other. Scale peer learning like never before. Because AI can generate any content, but it can't generate that sense of belonging and that human experience. Now here's the thing that makes it work. A living skills graph. It connects what your people are learning to the skills they actually need, based on real work signals, not guesswork. This is fueled by HowNow Plus. It's verified expert knowledge from world-class providers, already mapped to skill and proficiency level and ready to use by AI. Whatever the need, you've got the expertise for it. It's the difference between learning and doing the right learning. But that's not why we're making this video. At the heart of all of this, there's Guru, the AI agent that connects to the systems where work actually happens. Your CRM, your help desk, your calendar, your performance reviews, it can connect to it all. It spots when someone is struggling, not because they told us, because the work told us. Then it delivers the right help, coaching, practice, nudge, right where you work. Nobody had to build anything, no one had to assign anything, no one had to chase. Then it does something that no learning platform has ever done. It measures whether their performance has actually changed. The loop closes, and every time it closes, the system gets smarter. For years, we've been building towards this moment. A system that spots the gap, closes it, and proves it works. So now companies can train and upskill their people and prove it matters. This is HowNow.